Maybe the class will just help us. Put your finger on what looks different here. Class, where is it? Inside or outside? A, B, C, or D?
Outside.
A. Raise your hand if you got A value 1/2. Okay. Then you can just look at your formula sheet. The A value affects the Y. Guys, you need this. That's why I keep pointing to it, right? So X, comma, 1/2 Y. Class, do I do anything with the X values? No. Okay, now we have to do some multiplying. 0 times 1/2. -1 times 1/2. -1/2. Okay, let's just say you didn't know that. Take the calculator. Look at this nice calculator. You can even multiply, watch this, -1 times a fraction. Oh my goodness, look at that. 1/2. Whoop.
Oh, so nice. So nice calculator.
The parentheses is supposed to go to delete, right? Oh, look at that. Let's just say you're like, Mr. Anga gave me a decimal, right? S to D, standard to decimal, standard to decimal. Oh, look at that. Now you don't even know how to convert fractions or multiply fractions. This can do it for you. -1/2. 4 times 1/2? Oh. I can't even do this on my graphing calculator. Do you guys see what I did? I want to change the answer to be what? 4. So I just went back up, and I can just delete this. Delete. Go away. Go away. Uh-oh. Go away. Oh, yeah. That's what I wanted to change. Smart person over there was like, just change that number. That's what I wanted to change. 4 times 1/2. That's what I wanted. Good job for paying attention. I did it again. Answer is? 2. It's really just 4 over 1. To do this by hand, it's 4 over 1 times 1/2. You multiply across, you get 4 over 2. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, let's graph those points. Graph it in blue. Origin, stay, right 1, down -1/2. Right 2, up 2. So this is what my graph kind of looks like this way, right? And then I can use symmetry by doing the opposite. Instead of going right 1, down -1/2, I'm going to go what? Left 1, up 1.5. No, you're right. Down 1.5. And then instead of going right 2, up 2, because I have to stay in quadrant 3, I'm going to have to go where? Left 2, down 2. And that should make sense because if your A value is more than 1 or less than 1? Less than 1, it's telling there's a vertical compression. Compression, vertical, this way. This is vertical up and down. It's being flattened this way. The mountains are being flattened. Does that make sense? Up here, you mean? There he goes. Happy, Brian? Good.